It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high. I'm up on cloud nine, baby.
Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Maybe here again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a perfect slick down 4C natural hair. So if you've been feeling like you can't get your hair to slick down perfectly, this is a video for you. So just sit back, relax, and just watch me slick down my hair to that perfect hairstyle that you guys saw at the beginning of the video. First off, I need to loosen this hairstyle that I have on currently, and I'm just spraying with this my newfound spray bottle. Guys, I've been seeing a lot of videos where people use this spray bottle and I didn't get the hype, but trust me guys, it's so different from your regular spray bottle. Once that is done, once I'm done loosening my hair and spraying water just to loosen things up and make it softer, I'm just going to go ahead to apply some leave-in conditioner on it. And the leave-in conditioner that I'll be using for the purpose of today's video is this Mielle leave-in conditioner, the Hawaiian ginger one. It's so nice and it smells so good. The tools required for styling are, first of all, you need your white tooth comb, you need this paddle brush, you need a small rat tail comb, you also need this spray, this hold spray. It's not necessary, but I like to use this whenever I'm trying to achieve a slick down ponytail. You also need your grease, your spray bottle, of course, to spray water just to soften the hair. Next up, I'm going to go ahead to section my hair, and that's what I'm doing right now, just sectioning the hair and combing through just to make slicking it down very easy. You need to section the hair into whatever style you want. If it's a side pattern you're trying to achieve, you just part your hair in a side part, but because I'm going for a center part, I decided to just, of course, part my hair in a center pattern, and I'm just, partitioning it and twisting it up just to make slicking it down very easy. I'm also going ahead to spray some water on it. Anyone that feels excessively dry, I just spray some water just to soften it and just make things easier from there. Now I'm just going to clip this side aside with my crocodile clip just to make slicking down easy. I don't want hair to start, getting in the way when I'm trying to slick down my hair. Next up, I'm going to go in with my gel. I'm going to be using this Petals Gel, this Nigerian made gel. It's really dark, guys. I decided to, use my regular gel first off. This is my Eco Styler gel and the other Nigerian made gel, the Promax gel that I showed you guys earlier. Then I only used the Petals Gel in front when I got to the front part of my hair just to, create the illusion of a fuller front hairline. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean. Anyway, what I'm doing now is I'm just applying my Eco Styler gel and that Promax gel that I showed you guys earlier, and using this my paddle brush. I don't know if it's called a paddle brush, but I'm using this brush basically to just slick down the hair. This brush is the secret to achieving a very slick hairstyle. Once you apply your gel, you need to use this type of brush to just slick everything down perfectly. Apply your gel generously, guys. I wasn't stingy with my gel at all. To achieve a slick down ponytail hairstyle, if you have a natural hair that is really thick like mine, you need to apply a lot of gel. So if you're the kind of person that doesn't like gel, you might have to just, compromise if you're looking to achieve a very slick down ponytail hairstyle. What I'm doing now is I'm just, patting each section that I already sectioned aside earlier and applying a lot of gel on it just to slick it down. And I'm also, clipping it away once I have the amount of gel, the required amount of gel on each section. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but yeah, you guys should just watch me as I go. I feel like I'm talking too much, so yeah, just watch as I go. Once I'm done, gelling and everything, I just go in with that brush just to slick everything down. Once I'm done slicking, I just clip it aside and move on to the next section, just like what I'm doing now. I'm in front, and yeah, I'm going to use some of that my Petals Gel just to create the illusion of a fuller front hairline. And yeah, that's what I'm doing currently, just applying the gel generously and pulling to the back just to slick it down, and also using the brush to make everything slick down. Can you guys see that the hair is already beginning to slick down? So no, don't worry. Even if you have natural hair, you can still get your hair to slick down. You just need to be very patient. This whole process requires a lot of patience. So if you're in a hurry, you might not be able to, achieve the really slick hairstyle. So just take your time, apply your gel generously, and of course you need your brush. That brush is very important in achieving the slick down hairstyle that you're looking to go for. So yeah, I'm pretty much done with the whole process, applying gel. I'm just using my brush to just slick everything down properly. Then I'm going to go ahead to pack the hair in a very slick low bun, just as you guys saw at the beginning of the video. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the major part. All I'm going to do next is just make sure that I've secured the hair properly, and I'm just going to deal with my edges. I'm applying some of that my Petals Gel that I showed you guys, the really dark gel, the Nigerian made gel. I'm applying it on my hairline in front just to slick down my hairline. Next up, I'm going to tie my hair with this scarf just to make everything lay flat really well. It would be nice for you to have it tied down overnight, but for me, I just tied it down for I think like 3-4 hours thereabouts. I went ahead to just do my makeup and do other stuff around the house, and I just came back to show you guys the finished look. You guys will see what the finished look looks like. I'm just going to go ahead to tie my hair down really well to make sure that it's flat and to just improve the outlook of the hairstyle at the end of the day. So I'm just going to go ahead to do my makeup, and I'll be back to wrap up the video for you guys. Alright guys, so I'm done. This is about 4 hours later. I went ahead to do my makeup, and I wore this my this my birthday dress, the dress I wore on my birthday. So yeah, this is the finished look. This is what the hair looks like. I think I did pretty well with this my slick down hairstyle. Next up, I'm going to go ahead to add this extension to the back of my hair just to give me a fuller poof at the back. I like to add stuff like this to my hair whenever I have my hair in this kind of hairstyle. It just makes the hair look fuller, and it creates the illusion of fullness. Basically, for me, I just like the total look. Basically, that's why I like to add this full kinky kind of hairstyle to the back of my hair. Next up, I'm just going to use this my hair ruffle to just pack everything and make everything put together. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This is what the hair looks like at the end of the day. I really had a lot of fun creating this hairstyle. This is my first time of using this amount of gel on my hair, and my hair doesn't even feel any type of way. The secret is to make sure that your hair is properly moisturized before applying gel. I had this hair on for about 4 or 5 days, and it still looked good. It wasn't flaking or anything. And I think the secret, or not I know that the secret is the fact that I moisturized my hair really well before going ahead to apply the quantity of gel that I had in it, basically, for this hairstyle. So make sure your hair is properly moisturized before you start to apply this ton of gel in your hair. So yeah, this is the finished look. I went ahead to add this my beautiful hair slides that I got recently. I showed you guys the video where I went to get this hair slide. So yeah, this is the finished look. All I'm doing here is just feeling myself for the camera and just admiring myself in my monitor, and just feeling myself basically. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a big fat thumbs up so I know you guys got value. Also, if you're watching still and you're not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. I'd love to be your friend. I'd love to be your sister. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.